Mahal kong Geraldine, sino mag-aakala na ang babaeng isang beses ko lang nakasabay sa jeep?
Wala pa
Huwag ka umiyak. Iiyak din ako eh. Ay ang babaeng mamahalin ko at makakasama ko habang buhay.
Ashes back to fire, 'cause we burned hot once like only left us. I guess along the way just got down. Maybe we could see Mississippi. We're still young and pretty.
Sino mag-aakalang ang tahimik na si Cleo ay mapapaibig ang isang Wonder Woman? I'm just Cleo being Cleo. Hindi ko alam kung anong nakita mo sa akin at napaibig din kita.
Yeah, maybe we could.
Si Cleo, matagal na siyang nagdasal. He prayed for this day. Hindi pa kayo magkakilala sa Kalaka Power Complex. Alam mo ba ang sabi ng lalaking ito at 2014 na hindi pa kayo magkakilala? Ang dasal niya, Lord, sana makita ko ulit siya.
Maybe tomorrow.
with you. I learned how to improve and how to be patient, most especially with myself. Because you inspire me to be like you, the person who always understands without having to say a word. You always inspire me to be my best self. Sobrang bait. Talaga. Kaya ako naiiyak kasi parang minsan hindi ko na-deserve yung pagiging mabait niya sa akin. Wala siyang reklamo sa kahit ano. Sobrang gaan ng buhay. Sobrang gaan ng buhay.
I'll find it waiting in the shadows. Light of the highway, signal you turn. When you're somewhere down the line, there I can follow you into the night.
I promise to choose us. Always. Today, I marry you with a full and grateful heart. I am excited for everything ahead of us. I love you always. Love, Geraldine.
At kung dumating man ang panahon na di ka nakamahal-mahal sa mundo, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko dahil lang ako sa Diyos na ikaw lang mamahalin ko habang buhay. Cleo, this is to remind you that you are working hard, not just for yourself, but now including me. Wag, wag ka mag-alala. Try to help. Je.
You won't find it written in the sky.
Thank you for always believing in me and always pushing me to my limits. My number one critic, my mentor, tormentor, lover, friend, coordinator, teammate, big boss, and etc. I promise na ipagpapatuloy ko ang mga maganda nating nasimulan.
But when I see the smile across your face and the sunrise lights up another day, I woke up and my whole world changed. You're the kind of love gives me faith, and I believe.
My first girlfriend and now my wife. Buong puso kong ipinangangako. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin at araw-araw kitang mamahalin. Ang iyong asawa.
Feel your love. Feel the moment. Kunwari wala kami. Guntong hininga. Cleo, you may now kiss your beloved wife, Geraldine.